Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can earn money using ChatGPT. For those who don't know, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text. And it's not just for fun, there are actually a few ways you can use ChatGPT to make money. So, let's get started. 1. Content creation. The first way you can earn money with ChatGPT is by using it to create content. Whether it's writing articles, blog posts, or even scripts, ChatGPT can help you generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. 2. Virtual assistants. Another way you can use ChatGPT is as a virtual assistant. ChatGPT can help you answer customer questions, schedule appointments, and even handle customer service. 3. Automated chatbot. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to create an automated chatbot. Whether it's for a website, a mobile app, or a social media platform, a chatbot can help you engage with customers, answer questions, and even make sales. Plus, if your chatbot is able to provide a high-quality service, you can charge a premium for it. So, there you have it, 3 ways you can use ChatGPT to earn money. Whether you're a content creator, a virtual assistant, or a chatbot developer, ChatGPT can help you save time and increase your income. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.